How to get rich with real estate. Do you know that over 90% of millionaires made their money through real estate? Let's break down how you can too. Real estate is one of the most powerful wealth building tools because it's an asset that usually grows over time. But more importantly, it creates opportunities for passive income and long-term security. There are three main ways people get rich through real estate. The first is buying and holding. This means purchasing rental properties, collecting monthly income, and watching your property value increase year after year. The second way is flipping houses. You buy low, renovate smartly, and sell high. It's fast money, but it requires skill, timing, and good judgment. And the third? Commercial real estate. Think offices, malls, or hotels. These investments often require more capital, but they also bring higher returns and prestige. And here's the secret. Banks love real estate. With mortgages, you can use other people's money to grow your wealth. That's called leverage. And it's one reason real estate builds fortunes faster than most businesses. But let's be clear, real estate isn't risk-free. Market crashes can wipe out value, scams exist everywhere, and over-leveraging, borrowing too much, can leave you bankrupt instead of rich. Take Warren Buffett, for example. He's one of the richest men in the world, yet he still lives in the modest Omaha house he bought in 1958. His lesson? Real estate wealth isn't about showing off, it's about patience, smart buying, and long-term value. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long game of patience, timing, and smart moves. If you master it, you're buying both property and freedom. I'm Anita Moira, and I help buyers and sellers get the deal they deserve. Whether it's finding the right home, selling for top value, or building wealth through smart real estate moves, let's make your next step the right one.